So first thing you do is you talk into the speaker, and you let them know we're going to pay at the pump. You just walk up and it's a live speaker. They hear you all the time. Say we're going to pay. They say we're going to pay at the pump. Everybody will say okay. No! You just say, we're going to pay at the pump.
You don't even have to push a button?
No, the speaker's always live.
We are going to pay at the pump.
You have to do it again, he doesn't hear you.
Going to pay at the pump.
I'm just kidding.
You can't